Hello there, this is Paul Deadman from Longfield. We're going to walk through document link migration using the Enterprise Migration Manager from Binary Tree. We're going to start off by importing a user into the Enterprise Migration Manager from the name and address book. Here's our user now, and we're going to send them a message. There's a series of messages here that you have as templates. They're all standard except for one, which is our one, which is the convert document link to URL. We'll send that now, and we've already opened the user's inbox, and there it is here. There's the previous one I used earlier on. We'll just delete that, and we'll open this one here. It's just arrived. And you can see here standard message. You can customize all the text, and there's a button here in blue which you click on that completes the conversion. Before we click on that, we will create some test messages. Create a test email, and we want to paste in a document link. So first things first, we need to open a test library on a server. We've got a test we built earlier on, and those three messages, or documents rather, are already migrated into SharePoint, and the top one isn't, is in Notes. So the challenge for our application is to allow you to add a document link of any type and open it in SharePoint if it's in SharePoint, and open it in Notes if it's only in Notes. So we'll start off by creating a document link. We're copying one in, and then we'll Control V to paste it into our email. We'll send this to a well-known user, and we know that this link is in SharePoint, so it should open in SharePoint. We'll send that, and we'll close that. And we want to create another message, but this time we want to have it with a document link for something that isn't in SharePoint, which is this here. There it is. Whoops, not in SharePoint. So we'll close that down, and we don't need this anymore at the moment. So we go and look in the sent items. They're there. Now our converter scans the whole inbox, any folders, anything it finds as in a mail file, and it will convert them. So what we now do, we want to go back and open our inbox, and we just click on the button. That's fairly quick, and it is fairly quick even with a large number of document links in an inbox. It only slows down as if you have tens of thousands of document links which have to be modified. But for the majority of inboxes where you have many hundreds, it will just take a few seconds to run. If we go back here, and you can see now, instead of being a Notes document link, it's a URL. I'll hover the mouse over the top, and at the bottom you can see the URL. There. And now what's interesting is if you were to click on those, they would go off to the website, which is part of the document link pack we supply, which would then work out whether it's a SharePoint or Notes entry. But before we do that, we'll go through a session of installing the website itself. Thank you.